Which choice completes the text with the most logical transition? Guard cells are specialized cells that are part of a plant's pores. These cells help regulate the amount of carbon dioxide a plant takes in. Blank, they help regulate a plant's water loss. So the third sentence here highlights a second reason beyond this first given reason of how a guard cell are specialized cells that are part of a plant's pores. So the first reason they give is that they regulate the amount of carbon dioxide a plant takes in. And then the second reason is that they also help regulate a plant's water loss. So the best choice for this transition here would be one that highlights the additional reason. A. Additionally. This seems to be the correct answer because this properly shows that this third sentence here will give a reason that's beyond what was said already. So A seems to be the correct answer. B. Previously. This is incorrect because previously implies that this happens before what was said earlier, but this is not the case because this sentence is giving a reason, and this doesn't occur before or after anything. So B is incorrect. C. In conclusion. This is incorrect because this would not properly, in conclusion, would not properly apply to this third sentence, as it is not giving a conclusion of what was said in this whole text. Rather, it is adding an additional reason to what was said earlier. So C is incorrect. D. Instead. This is incorrect because instead implies that there's a contradiction between the second and the third sentence. But as before, this is not the case, since the third sentence adds a additional reason upon what was said earlier. So D is incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is A.